Hi, welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. Summer just ended and I really meant to get this out during summer and I just didn't get around to it. This is the spiked Arnold Palmer. This Arnold Palmer, half lemonade, half iced tea. Some people call it a 50-50. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 50% iced tea, 50% lemonade, 50% vodka. We'll call it the 50-50-50. I don't know, we'll roll with that. So anyway, pretty simple. In the glass, get some ice. Next, we're gonna go with a no-calorie sweet tea. If you're in the South, we all love our sweet tea. So this is the no-calorie Milo, in the South we'll call it Milo. Milo sweet tea, 0 grams of carbs. We need 2 ounces of sweet tea. Just short of 2 ounces. Next, I'm gonna go with 2 ounces of lemonade. Now, this is a on-demand type made lemonade. I use my Splenda syrup, which you can check out that video right here, but I do need to say something about that. I changed my recipe since then. So my Splenda syrup now has 1 gram of carbs per ounce, and what I do is I do 1/3 cup of Splenda to 1 cup of water. And that brings my carb count down to 1 gram of carbs. Still sweet enough, still plenty sweet enough. That rich, simple syrup sweet, but pretty sweet. So we're gonna go with 2 ounces of lemonade. And so anyway, I was saying this is gonna be, like I was saying, I did 2 ounces of my simple syrup, and I did 2 ounces of bottled lemon juice. So that's really just 2 grams of carbs, and I'm not even using the whole thing. I'm gonna go with vodka. JT Meleck. If you hadn't seen it already, check out my review video right here. JT Meleck, great Louisiana product. 2 ounces of JT Meleck. Now, they did a tasting out here where I live, and I stopped by. Oh, I spilled some. Okay, let's fix what I spilled. It may be a little extra. So I stopped by a tasting they were doing, and this is what they were doing. They did a 50-50, an iced tea lemonade with it. We'll go ahead and stir this. And lastly, what's an iced tea? It's not garnished with lemon. So guys, let's go ahead and give this a try. Man, that's good. What I like about the JT Meleck, if you watch the review video, it's not flavorless, odorless vodka. And I like that about a lot of craft vodkas out there. That people, the distillers are now kind of letting the grain come to the top, and you can taste what it was made with. There's some other things besides just ethanol. I really enjoy that. JT Meleck makes a wonderful product. And before y'all start saying anything YouTube, they're not a sponsor. I just really like their product and I want to help them grow their business. But they're a great product. And if you can't find it locally, if you're not in South Louisiana, again, my review video, there's a company in Lafayette who can ship it to you. Check them out too. But anyway, man, that's delicious. Simple, guys. Half part lemonade, half part iced tea, half part vodka. The 50-50-50, Arnold Palmer. Alright guys, you have a great day. Thank y'all for watching. If you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and click the little subscribe button. And if you like this cocktail, go ahead and leave me a comment. You have a great day, because I know I will. Delicious.